Hola amigos, bienvenidos a este nuevo video de Speak Better Spanish. I'm Hannah from Speak Better Spanish, and today I'm going to try a new kind of video for you guys. So I know that people that are watching this channel are wanting to learn Spanish and improve their Spanish. So I'm going to do something kind of freeform for you guys. I have not prepared anything and I have not done this before. So we'll see. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. If you like it, give it a like, a comment. If you don't like it, that's also fine. You can also let me know. So I thought that it might be fun to just make some small talk conversation, but it's only me. So I was thinking that I will just use this as the subject and I will say a couple of things about this water bottle, and maybe that will be interesting and helpful for you guys, like something different, right? So we don't always have to learn grammar. Sometimes it's important to just be able to make small talk. So I'm going to say, esto es una botella de agua. This is a water bottle. Es azul. It's blue. La marca es Ciel. The brand is Ciel. Tiene poca agua. It has only a small amount of water in it. Es desechable. It's disposable. Pero yo lo reutilizo. But I reuse it. Entonces yo bebo el agua y después relleno la botella con agua. So I drink the water, then I refill the bottle with water. Esta botella es de plástico. This bottle is made out of plastic. Yo compré esta botella en el aeropuerto. I bought this bottle in the airport. ¿Tú bebes agua de una botella de plástico? Do you drink water from a plastic bottle? ¿O prefieres usar un termo o una botella reutilizable? Or do you prefer to use a thermos or a reusable water bottle? Bueno, espero que les haya gustado este video. I hope you guys liked this video about this water bottle. If you did, like I said, be sure to drop a comment below, and then I can do more of this type of freeform video, just making some comments about different things around me. And if not, that's also fine. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Ciao.